Hello, DieselDucy.
We are in the basement of some hospital. Got Jonas
Yeah,
and Casper.
Laakso Hospital.
Laakso Hospital.
Yes, Laakso.
All right, here it comes.
I hope we can get somewhere.
Yeah.
The tunnel is not so long.
All right, here they come down. It's relay logic.
Yeah, the noise it goes.
All right, now when we go up, we be quiet so we can hear the motor. Okay, please.
Yes.
And here they are in the elevator. Now we're gonna ride. We'll be right back.
Yeah.
All right, look at these buttons. What kind of elevator is this?
Geijer-Hissi.
Okay, let's go. Door open. All right, here we go. Let's listen to the motor.
Fixtures. See those?
All right, we'll go down. What did you think about that elevator? It bounces.
Yeah, this guy's sick.
Yeah, this elevator is, I don't know, what's in there? No phone, and the door doesn't reverse. All right. And it will close up. There it goes, and that's it. Tinklebird says, a huge thank you to all our patrons.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.